Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. Yesterday we discussed about how to find the T code for a particular node under SPRO path. For that we use the table CUS underscore IMGACH. So in this table we should copy that IMG activity ID. Then if execute means we will get the T code for that particular ID. So for example, this is the one way. Second way is that, for example, you want to create a sales order. You are new to SAP. You want to create a sales order and you don't know the T code for that. You can search in Google. You will get the T code. But still, is there any way available in SAP to get the T code for create a sales order? Okay, for that, what we can do, there are several ways are available. Let's go one by one. The first one is that the T code SE16T. Okay, in SE16T, okay, so this T code is to search functions. This is central access for search functions. So here you see one node, that is find transactions, and here you see execute function. Just click this one. Fine. Okay, I'm going to create one sales order now. I want to know the T code for that. Simply type create sales. 1 second. Fine. So I have searched here create sales order. So with this I can see that there are several T codes are displayed here, and the relevant one is that VA01. Similar way, display sales order. For display sales order also, we can see the T code is VA03, and the backend program, that the model pull program is SAP MV45A, and package is VA. Application component is SD-SLS, right? So like this, we can get the all the required T codes here by searching here. For example, if I want to display purchase order T code means, system is very slow. Fine, if I type display purchase means I'm getting all the T codes. I mean, so I'm getting all the results wherever the T code text is contain display purchase. You see, display purchase order here we see, and you see ME23, ME53, ME5A. Like this, we are getting different T codes having this free text search. This is one of the way you can identify the T code by just typing the required the relevant text here in this T code SE16T. The other way how to do this is we will discuss in next video. That's it from this video, guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.